my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the first episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2024. It is cookie season, my friends, and I've got a treat for y'all. Are y'all a die-hard fan of orange creamsicles from your childhood? Well, we're going to take that classic childhood ice cream and turn it to a cookie. We're going to make orange creamsicle cookies. Oh yes, sugar. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and loaded with orange and vanilla flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and perfect treats for the holiday season and great to give to Santa Claus when he comes down the chimney. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Christmas treats, check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist and my previous video, homemade yeast rolls. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your orange, and your white chocolate chips, sugar, because we're about to bake some orange creamsicle cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and we're going to fluff it up. And level it off. Voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need 1 more cup. Again, fluff it up. And again, level it off. And another perfect cup. Now we need 1/2 cup. And a perfect 1/2 cup. And into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda and table salt. And give it a quick whisk until it's well combined, or you can sift them if you like. Alrighty, dry ingredients are complete. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with a paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl, and in the electric hand mixer, we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 1/2 cup of butter flavor shortening. And into our butter and shortening, we're going to add in 1/2 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Make sure you scrape the bowl occasionally. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in a 1 extra large egg at room temperature and mix that in. Now we're going to add in the zest of a medium orange along with the juice. 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract, and mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to gradually add in the flour mixture into the butter mixture and mix it in. Alright, last of the flour, and mix it in until it's well blended. All right, my friends, I am through mixing up our cookie dough, and this what it looked like, nice and thick. That looks great. Now there's one more thing we gotta add to it. A 12-ounce bag, which is 2 cups of white chocolate chips. And fold them in. I can smell the orange zest and the orange juice and the extract. These are going to be sinful. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my chocolate chips, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my chocolate chips. Now we're going to cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Now we're going to place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. Alright, my friends, the cookie dough is nice and chill. Excellent. Now we are ready to form them into cookies. So using my ice cream scoop, we're going to take a dollop of the dough, like so, and put it on a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that are lined with parchment paper. Alright, as soon as I get through with the rest of my cookies, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got all my cookies onto my pan, and this recipe makes about 24 cookies. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes, and I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell freshly baked cookies. I just taken them out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are around the edges? So now we're going to let them cool in the pan for about 8 minutes. And then I'll put them on my platter. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Orange Creamsicle Cookies. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to put them on my plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my plate right here and I garnish it with an orange slice. And I was going to serve it with a glass of milk, but I was out. So I'm just going to serve it like it is. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. And look at the white chocolate chips. Have a bite. Soft and chewy. Tastes just like a creamsicle. I could taste the vanilla and the orange. Definitely brings me back to my childhood. These cookies are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Orange Creamsicle Cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.